My name's Jeremy Rose from the University of Aalborg in Denmark, and I'm just going to tell you a little bit about the software innovation project that we're running with our partners at the Judge Business School with sponsorship from the Danish Research Council. Our department's always been interested in working with software companies. In the 90s we worked with capability maturity models and helping software firms to make organised and disciplined processes. In the 2000s we worked with agility, with Scrum and XP, with smaller companies, and more recently in this decade we've moved on to working with a topic which we call innovation. But this arose from a need we met with the software firms that we worked with, and that need was to do with the ability to produce a range of products in an independent and self-directed way which would serve a market, which would exploit technological innovation and which would give them the edge that they needed to survive in difficult times and difficult markets. And we began by developing some teaching work with our students, and out of that came this book, which is called Software Innovation, and a method which my colleague Ivan Owen is responsible for. And we're now moving into research areas with this work, and what we'd like to do, or what we have done in the first place, is to develop a kind of factor model. This is a model in which we try to learn from the existing research what kind of things are really important, especially to small firms, to keep them competitive and innovative. And we've now completed that work, and we're here in Cambridge with a cluster of really small and interesting software firms, I should say really interesting and small software firms here, and we're collecting data now to help us understand our model better and to refine it. And we've also developed a lot of techniques for helping companies do this work more effectively, and we'd like to promote some of that knowledge to those companies and try and help them a little bit as well. So that's more or less the nature of the project that we're running here at the present time in Cambridge.